Kabalo ba ka nga in 2023 na ay sikat nga droga sa gawas nga nakasulod diri sa Pilipinas? Lo, saka na. Intriguing, di ba? Munang dason nga no dapat nimong manon ni siya nga video. Watch till the end and I'll tell you kung unsa ni siya nga klase nga droga. Because ang ato ang istoryahan karon is ang 2023 statistical analysis according to the Dangerous Drugs Board. By the way, my name is Dr. Junes. I'm a nurse by profession and a rehab practitioner by specialty. And before ta mo continue, again, short disclaimer lang, tanan natong istoryahan diri is for awareness and educational purposes only, o di siya intended nga mo-replace to any complicated or actual scenarios. Alright? Now, the Dangerous Drugs Board is the law-making body na related sa droga. So sila ang gatulod o gaplastar sa balaod nato diri sa Pilipinas with regards to illegal drugs. And in 2023, according to their statistics, there is a total of 82 drug abuse treatment and rehab centers nga ga-report no to the treatment and the rehabilitation information system. So dira nilagay na input ang tanan statistics nila, and it was noted na 75 out of the 82 are actually residential inpatient, and 7 of them are for outpatient services. According to the statistics, ang pinaka-common nga age group no nga nakitaan nila nga napagyapoy issue sa droga is actually in the mean age of 35 years old. Di ba? And we thought after the COVID or after the new term, muy nahinay na ning droga nato nga issue, pero unfortunately it is still increasing and it is pointing out to a common level of 35 years old people. And for the sex, it has been pointed out nga a ratio of male to female is actually at 12:1. So mas daghan jud gihapon ang lalaki no nga gabisyo compared to the female nga gabisyo. So it may have something to do with the way like male behaves compared to female. And it is also noted nga as per civil status, very common kaayo ang mga single ano nila. There are those people nga married but mostly are single at 52.07%. So ayun. And as per statistics no kaning ginatawag nato nga status of employment, take note nga dili lang jud mga tambay or mga walay mga gipambuhat ang naay issue in terms of drug addiction. There is a number which is at 57.90%, and they are the employed people. So usually mga workers ang very common kaayo atong 2023 nga statistics no, mga workers or mga employees, also mga businessmen and mga self-employed ang common kaayo atong time. And for educational attainment, it's also noticeable no nga high school level is very high at 26.96%, tungod kay sa mga high school mangud sa mga teenager life mangud dira ang mga hilig kayo mga adventures, taas kayo ang ginatawag na peer pressure, and then also there is a high need for belongingness no, gusto sila mabilong permi sa usa ka circle, and that is the reason why easy ra kaayo nga matintal ang ato ang mga teenagers ang naa sa high school level. And for economic status no, very common kaayo ang naay average monthly family income na 13,201.05 pesos, or kung sa US dollar ni siya, it was at 237.60 US dollars. So yung ana nga average level per month no ang very common nga dwell into addiction way back in 2023. It was also noted nga ang place of residence, it is very common sa urban core, meaning sa city. And in fact, sa NCR nga record, it was at 26.11%. So taas-taas si Jayo siya. And the nature of drug is actually a mono-drug use. Mono-drug use means isa ra nga klase nga droga. It would either be from one substance or the other substance and not a combination of both. Well, there is still, it is possible no nga magamit siya og isa ka klase, din isa ka klase, but in most cases, as per statistics for last year, isa ra kayo ang common nga drug nga use nila. And of course, the different drugs na very common kayo sa Philippines is number one gihapon ang shabu, or what we call the methamphetamine hydrochloride, and then followed by the marijuana or cannabis or five fingers. And number three, dayon no kato kung giingon nga bago nga nisulod sa Pilipinas is cocaine. Cocaine isn't really that common. It is famous as a name, but not really used in the Philippines. But in 2023, unfortunately, it was noted nga ga-spread out gihapon ni siyang cocaine. And ang kaning sa cocaine, ang difference na yun niya compared to shabu and sa marijuana nga gay na smoke, ang cocaine is basically it is being sniffed. So ginasulod siya dito sa ilong, ipakita ninyo kanang nabitaw papel gagamiton ginasulod sa ilong, and unfortunately that will cause a lot of damages sa atuang sinus, and that is the reason why there's a lot of people complaining gihapon nga naa sila issue sa ilang sinuses. And that is mainly because of ang isa na sa mga common product ana or common result ana is because of the cocaine. So, ayan. With these statistics no ako ang gi-mention karon, I'm really hoping that we will learn from it o dili ta mo apil-apil sa numbers nga gi-provide sa ato ang Dangerous Drugs Board. And it is always best to prevent this, and prevention will always begin in our family. So guide and teach our children, no, or our siblings or our loved ones na dili jud mosulod ani nga droga. Ayun. So hopefully you learned something from the statistics that we have from Dangerous Drugs Board. Always remember, ayaw sulod og droga pero pwede ra gid ka mosulod og gugma. Ayo diha.